The Fairies. Written by William Allingham. Illustrated by Gertrude Thomson. The Fairies, a Child's Song. Up the airy mountain, down the rushy glen. We daren't go a-hunting, for fear of little men. We folk, good folk, trooping all together. Green jacket, red cap, and white owl's feather. Down along the rocky shore, some make their home. They live on crispy pancakes of yellow tide foam. Some in the reeds of the black mountain lake, with frogs for their watchdogs, all night awake. High on the hilltop, the old king sits. He is now so old and gray, he's nigh lost his wits. With a bridge of white mist, Columkill he crosses, on his stately journeys, from Sleeveleague to Rosses. Or going up with music, on cold starry nights, to sup with the queen of the gay northern lights. They stole little Bridget, for 7 years long. When she came down again, her friends were all gone. They took her lightly back, between the night and morrow. They thought that she was fast asleep, but she was dead with sorrow. They have kept her ever since, deep within the lake, on a bed of flag leaves, watching till she wake. By the craggy hillside, through the mosses bare, they have planted thorn trees, for pleasure, here and there. Is any man so daring, as dig them up in spite? He shall find their sharpest thorns, in his bed at night. Up the airy mountain, down the rushy glen. We daren't go a-hunting, for fear of little men. We folk, good folk, trooping all together. Green jacket, red cap, and white owl's feather.